Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss what is the use of Train Your AI Chatbot on the BotPenguin platform. Training your AI chatbot in BotPenguin is all about making it smarter and more tailored to your business needs. Think of it like teaching the chatbot everything it needs to know about your company, products, or services so it can answer customer questions quickly and accurately. Training ensures that your chatbot knows your business inside out. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you have to create a new bot and then you have to select that bot from this list. And then you have to navigate to the Train Your AI Chatbot section. So training works by feeding the data. You have to provide the bot with all the information it needs to know. The information could be from your website. You can also upload any documents like product manuals or any other documents. You can use the Google Sheets. You can also use the custom FAQs option. You can also train your AI chatbot on the conversation history that you have. And we also have some other sources that you can use to train your AI chatbot. If you want to learn in detail about how you can train your AI chatbot, I'll mention the playlist link in the description box below. You can check it out. You can also configure more advanced AI settings in the website chatbot settings section. Here you'll find different subsections. You have to click on the AI settings section to customize the bot's behavior. Using this option, you can configure the bot's personality. You can decide how the chatbot talks. Does it sound formal or friendly? Does it give short answers or detailed explanation? It's up to you. You have to tap on the Create Persona button right here. Here you can enter the persona title. I am entering General here. And here you have to enter the persona description. And here you can upload any photo. Do not forget to click on the Update button. Only then your changes will be saved. From here, you can manage the communication style. You can decide how the chatbot talks. You can select the answer length from here if you want your chatbot to answer in short length, long length, medium, or very short length. You can also select if you want your chatbot to answer as a first person, second person, or third person. From here, you can configure the tone. And you can select the language from here. I am simply selecting English. You can also configure the answer formatting from here. If you want to include sources for response, you can enable this button and then you have to click on the Update button. You can configure how the chatbot will manage chat scenarios. You can add action by clicking on this button. For example, I have added this. If the chatbot doesn't know the answer to any question, then it will reply with this message. And if the users type something offensive, then the chatbot will reply with this message. You can also enable or disable the status of your actions from here. And if you want to edit your action, you can just click on this button and then you can edit it. You can also add custom instructions here. You can add your prompt here and then click on the Update button. So that was how you can create a persona and it will be shown here. So that was all about the use of Train Your AI Chatbot on the BotPenguin platform. One tip, the more it knows, the better it can serve your customers. So feed it with all the necessary data of your business. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.